Welcome, and thank you for joining this demonstration of UiPath Maestro, our end-to-end monitoring and analytics solution for automated workflows. In the next minutes, you will see how Maestro tracks each step of a process, visualizes performance through heat maps, and lets business users publish and run new workflow versions directly from UiPath Orchestrator. We will use a simple example that ingests data either from Salesforce or Gmail. Depending on the source, the workflow extracts the payload, evaluates business rules, and then creates a corresponding sales order in SAP. If neither Salesforce nor Gmail provides a quantity, Maestro routes the case to Action Center so a human in the loop can supply the missing value before the order is posted. To illustrate, we have parameterized the workflow with two inputs, Opportunity ID and Attachment Name. Let's publish version 1.0.5 of the process, named Agentic Process 5, to Orchestrator. After publication, we start the job from Orchestrator. Passing the attachment name new.pdf, Maestro immediately shows the run in real time. The robot follows the Gmail branch, extracts the data, and posts the order in SAP. Drilling into the trace log, every activity is time-stamped and categorized. Switching to Maestro's Path Explorer, we confirm the exact route, extract data, Gmail decision, insert data in SAP, with the resulting sales order 233 containing a quantity of 5. Moving to the Monitoring tab, version 1.0.5's heat map highlights execution time per activity. Short durations in extraction, a brief Gmail decision, and a slightly longer step while SAP commits the order. This immediate visibility helps us pinpoint any performance bottlenecks. Next, we start the same process but provide only a Salesforce record ID. Without an attachment name, the robot selects the Salesforce branch, retrieves the record, and again posts an order in SAP. Maestro's Path Explorer now displays extract data, Salesforce decision, insert data in SAP. The new order includes 10 items with a net value of 175. For our final scenario, we launch the workflow with no parameters. The robot quickly recognizes that quantity is missing, triggers an Action Center task, and waits for user input. After I enter and reassign the task, the robot resumes, posts the SAP order, and completes. The heat map vividly reflects the longer human-in-the-loop phase, 37 seconds, clearly contrasted against the fast extraction and posting steps. In addition to the live heat map view shown in this demo, UiPath Maestro Monitoring delivers several enterprise-grade capabilities worth noting. Out-of-the-box dashboards aggregate historical execution data, incidents, completion rates, faulted elements, and duration outliers, so operations teams can spot trends at a glance. Element-level icons, green check for success, red exclamation for failures, blue circle for tasks under escalation, make it easy to triage issues mid-run. The homepage surfaces live instance counts, top processes by volume, and rolling incident charts for quick situational awareness. Finally, the Optimize tab applies process mining techniques to reveal bottlenecks, low automation steps, and conformance gaps across every process version, enabling data-driven continuous improvement without leaving the Maestro console. Thank you for watching this overview of UiPath Maestro Monitoring. By combining real-time telemetry, intuitive heat maps, and seamless version control, Maestro gives your organization the clarity needed to optimize RPA performance and deliver dependable business value, today and in the future.